So now we will work on an exercise to create the navigation bar in CSS. So basically we are going to follow the below steps in order to complete this practice exercise on creating the navigation bar in CSS. So guys, you can pause this video and practice on your own using the CSS properties that you have learned so far. So first of all, we are going to create the unordered list and have the 4 items as links, that is home, blog, languages and contact. So guys, let us move to the VS Code over here, and simply I'm going to remove the previous lines of code that we had written inside the body tag of the HTML file, and also we will remove the content of the CSS file over here, and then inside the HTML file we are going to have the unordered list with the list item. So guys, over here as a shortcut you can also use the unordered list, that is the UL tag followed by the greater than symbol and then followed by the LI tag over here. So guys, as you can see, this is the Emmet abbreviation, and when you press enter, as you can see, you have the starting and the ending unordered list, that is the UL tag, and also the first list item over here with the help of the LI tag. And inside this we can define our list items as well, but these list items are going to be links in this case. So guys, basically we are going to use the A tag over here, and for the href attribute we are going to provide the hash character, and inside the A tag it is going to be the home tag over here followed by blog, languages and contact. So guys, let us define that as well. Simply I am going to paste this line of code, and then over here we will say blog followed by languages, and then in the end we have the contact list item in this case. So guys, let me just save this file now and try reloading this page on the browser. So as you can see, we have all the list items in this case, and since it is the unordered list, we have the bullets over here. Now guys, let us move to another task. We need to remove the bullets and the underline from the unordered list item. So what we can do is simply we have to provide the CSS properties inside the style.css. So guys, in order to remove the bullets from this unordered list over here, you can see these bullets. What we can do is we can use the list style type property for the unordered list tag. So in this case we say the UL tag over here, and simply we are going to provide the list type CSS property, and we will say none in this case. So guys, in order to remove the bullets from the unordered list or the numbers from the ordered list, we can define the list style type equal to none, so that there are no bullets or the numbers getting displayed for the list items. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, there are no bullets right now that are getting displayed. Now guys, what we can do is simply we can remove the underline from these links as well. So we will move to style.css property, and what we can do is we can use the UL tag as the parent tag followed by the space character, and then we have the LI tag, that is the anchor tag. So guys, simply we can also use the A tag over here, but as your application grows into the complex application, we need to be more specific as far as the CSS selectors are concerned. So guys, over here we are going to use the text decoration property in order to remove the underline from the anchor tags. So in this case we are going to use the text decoration property, and in this case we are going to use the value as none. So guys, basically by default we have the underlines for this anchor tag, but we can use the text decoration property in order to remove the underline by using the none value for this CSS property. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, there is no underline now, and we are seeing the pure anchor tags over here without the underline, and also it doesn't look like this is the list items inside the unordered list. Now guys, we need to convert this list into the navigation bar over here, which is going to have certain background color in this case. So guys, let us move to another task. So as you can see, make the items look inline with a black background color. So guys, what we can do is we need to make these list items look inline over here. So simply we are going to come inside the style.css file, and for the list items we are going to have the display property as inline block. So guys, let us do that as well. So inside the unordered list we are going to have the LI tag over here, and for this particular CSS selector we are going to say display CSS property, and simply we are going to use the inline CSS property. So guys, basically this is the property that we are going to use in order to make all these list items look inline so that they are displayed on the same line over here. So guys, let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, the list items are getting displayed on the same line now. And guys, we will also have the background color. So for the UL, that is the unordered list, we are going to have the background color over here. So guys, for the unordered list, that is the UL tag, we will have the background. So let's say we have the background color and we define the background color as black in this case. And apart from this, for the black background color, we would want the text color of these links to be displayed as white color. So for the A tag, for which we have the text decoration as none, we will simply say color, and this text color we need to set it as white so that it looks more decent on the black color background. So guys, let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, we have the black background in this case, and then we have the white text color as well. Now guys, we can also have certain padding over here for all the links so that it becomes more readable, and also it looks like it is a navigation bar. So what we can do is, again inside the A tag, we are going to have the padding of 5 pixels. So let's say we have the padding of 5 pixels in this case. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, we have the padding as well as 5 pixels in this case. Now guys, apart from this, you can see there is certain spacing on the left of the home over here, and also above the navigation bar and to the left of the navigation bar. So guys, let us check the main reason behind this spacing and the margins. So let us go to the inspect option over here after right clicking, and let us check one at a time all the HTML elements. So as you can see, for the UL tag over here, we are getting the margin. So the orange color region over here above and below the black color background is displaying the margin of this UL tag. So guys, if you come over here, you can see that we have the margins that are getting displayed by default for this block level element. So what we can do is, for the UL tag, simply we are going to set the margin as 0 pixels. So in this case, we are going to say margin is equal to 0 pixels over here. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So now as you can see, there is no margin right now when we hover over this UL tag in this case. But guys, again we have certain margin over here for the body tag. So as you can see, on the body tag, we are getting the orange color that is getting highlighted, which is the margin by default for the body tag that is getting displayed over here. You can see that it is the 8 pixels margin. So let us remove that as well. So before the UL tag, it is one of the best practices that you provide the body tag and then you provide the values of margin as 0 pixels and padding as well as 0 pixels over here. So guys, this is done as one of the best practices in order to remove the default margin and paddings from the body tag. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So now as you can see, we don't have any spacing for the body tag over here as well. Now guys, we can also increase the spacing for the list items over here as far as the top and the bottom spacing is concerned for all these list items. So what we can do is, inside the li tag over here, for which we have displayed as inline block, we can provide the padding tag in this case, and let's say we want 5 pixels of padding over here. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. Now as you can see, we have the padding that is getting defined for these list items on the top and the bottom as well. And guys, apart from this, let's say we want to come on these particular links, that is the home and the blog link, and we want a certain background color so that the user gets the confirmation that yes, this is the link that he or she wants to select. So what we can do is, specifically for this li elements over here, that is the list items, we want to provide the background color, but guys, it should be on the hover state, which means when we get the cursor on that particular list item, then the background color should be updated. So simply we are going to define the UL tag over here followed by the li tag, and this time we want to use the hover state. So In this case, we are going to use the colon followed by over state in this case. So guys, let me use this particular option. As for this state, we are going to provide the background color CSS property. So let us provide the CSS property, and let's say we want the background color to be red when we get the mouse cursor on this particular list item inside the unordered list. So guys, let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So now if you see, when we get the cursor over here, the items are getting displayed with the red color background, and this is one of the good practices that you can follow based on your requirements whenever you are creating project. So guys, in this way, out of a very simple unordered list that we have defined inside our HTML file, we have converted it into one of the attractive navigation bars by using the style.css properties over here for the unordered list and the list items and the anchor tags as well. So guys, this is one of the ways that you can use in order to create your own navigation bars over here. So guys, comment in the comment section below whether you have learned something out of this video. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to this channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is position property in CSS. So stay tuned.